Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Flagstar Mortgage account online. To log into your Flagstar Mortgage account and manage your account online, first of all, you'll need to open up a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in flagstar.com. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for Flagstar. Once you end up in the home page, go and click on the login button at the top right corner. Select your login type from the available options in the drop-down. To log into your mortgage, click on My Loans and click Login. You will now need to enter your login password and username on the next page. Start off by typing in your username associated with your account, and also make sure to type in the correct password. If you don't remember your information, click on the Forgot Username or the Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After providing your username and password, click on Login button to access your Flagstar Mortgage account. After you are logged in, you can now manage your account, view your loan details, make a payment, and much more. So there you have it. That's how easily you can log in and access your Flagstar Mortgage account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.